Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I've been doing a series of videos where I do an eyeshadow tutorial with all the palettes that I have, and in this video I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And I already have my base makeup on, my blush, my foundation, and all of that good stuff. So without further ado, let's just get into this. The first thing I'm going to do is to take a MAC 286S. This is my favorite crease brush, and I'm going to dip into this shade called Beyond Fresco, and I'm going to put that on my crease. And then with the shader brush, I'm going to take the same shade and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. And the next thing I'm going to do is to take the shade Venetian Red, the shade right here, and I'm going to take that with my Zoeva 231. And just put that on my outer upper lash line. And then I'm going to take my first brush and blend this out. Let's repeat the same thing on the other eye. Blend it out with my first brush, and I'm going to take my shader brush and dip into the same shade Venetian Red and put that on my lower lash line. And then blend it out with my first brush. I want to deepen up my outer lash line a little bit more, so I'm going to dip into the shade called Antique Bronze, this shade here. I'm just going to dip into that a little bit and deepen up my lash line. I'm going to take my first brush and blend everything out. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up my shader brush, and then I'm going to dip into this shade called Vermeer right here. And I'm just going to put that on my inner upper lash line. And then taking my first brush again and just blending everything out. And this is basically all I'm going to do for the eyes. So let's add some mascara. I'm using my Lash Princess. And this is basically it. Let me zoom you guys in. Okay guys, this is it for this video. If you like these kinds of content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!